Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever seen a hammer, screwdriver, drill or toolbox? Today we are going to learn 100 tools and equipment in English with pictures. You will discover hand tools, power tools, workshop equipment, construction machines, many useful everyday tools. Look at each picture, listen carefully and repeat each word after me. Let's start building our English vocabulary. Set 1. Hand tools. Hammer, hammer. Screwdriver, screwdriver. Wrench, wrench. Pliers, pliers. Saw, saw. Axe, axe. Chisel, chisel. File, file. Mallet, mallet. Crowbar, crowbar. Clamp, clamp. Hacksaw, hacksaw. Utility knife, utility knife. Level, level. Tape measure, tape measure. Ruler, ruler. Allen key, Allen key. Socket wrench, socket wrench. Vise, vise. Hand drill, hand drill. Set 2. Power tools. Electric drill, electric drill. Impact driver, impact driver. Circular saw, circular saw. Jigsaw, jigsaw. Chainsaw, chainsaw. Angle grinder, angle grinder. Sander, sander. Nail gun, nail gun. Heat gun, heat gun. Rotary tool, rotary tool. Air compressor, air compressor. Pressure washer, pressure washer. Welding machine, welding machine. Glue gun, glue gun. Bench grinder, bench grinder. Power planner, power planner. Router, router. Electric screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Mixer drill, mixer drill. Jackhammer, jackhammer. Set 3. Workshop equipment. Toolbox, toolbox. Tool belt, tool belt. Workbench, workbench. Ladder, ladder. Wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow. Bucket, bucket. Rope, rope. Extension cord, extension cord. flashlight, flashlight. Safety helmet, safety helmet. Safety glasses, safety glasses. Work gloves, work gloves. Ear protection, ear protection. Dust mask, dust mask. First aid kit, first aid kit. Paintbrush, paintbrush. Paint roller, paint roller. Paint tray, paint tray. Caulking gun, caulking gun. Set 4 construction equipment. Excavator, excavator. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Crane, crane. Forklift, forklift. Dump truck, dump truck. Cement mixer, cement mixer. Road roller, road roller. Backhoe loader, backhoe loader. Skid steer, skid steer. Concrete cutter, concrete cutter. Generator, generator. Water pump, water pump. Air pump, air pump. Jack, jack. Pulley, pulley. Hoist, hoist. Scaffolding, scaffolding. Winch, winch. Wheel chalk, wheel chalk. Set 5 fasteners and hardware. Nail, nail. Screw, screw. Bolt, bolt. Nut, nut. Washer, washer. Hinge, hinge. Hook, hook. Chain, chain. Padlock, padlock. Key, key. Pipe, pipe. Valve, valve. Faucet, faucet. Wire, wire. Cable, cable. Spring, spring. Gear, gear. Bearing, bearing. Pulley wheel, pulley wheel. Magnet, magnet. Excellent job, friends. Today you learned 100 tools and equipment in English with pictures. Keep practicing these useful tool names to grow your English vocabulary every day. Watch the next video in our 100 vocabulary word series for more fun learning with pictures. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, bye.